When doing a bench press, never let your elbows go behind your shoulder line. This puts much more pressure on your shoulders than on your chest. Tuck your shoulder blades in well and lower the bar at an angle where your elbow is below your shoulder line. This will provide greater activation of your chest muscles. From this angle, you can get a better view. Notice how with the wrong form, my elbows are going behind my shoulder line, which puts a lot of pressure on them. So I tucked my shoulder blades in better and brought my elbows slightly below my shoulder line, right over the middle of my chest. This way, I'm putting much more emphasis on the chest rather than the anterior deltoid. Did you like the tip? Then go ahead and like and share it with that friend who always gets the form wrong.